Because, when I share something, I mean, I'm not looking to get rewarded monetarily by anybody, right? And I think and we work in the blockchain industry, so we've seen a lot of these business models work on like incentivizing. How do you incentivize people to do certain things? But I think the honest, I wouldn't say incentive, the motive for what people do, trying to do good for the world or something, doesn't really come out of incentive or like monetary incentive or, I want to get something back because I do this, because then it just really dilutes the real reward that you really want to get out. Is like people
It
actually.
does, but they still do it.
Mhm.
And that from a social impact standpoint, you talk about how are we going to meet our climate change goals, our our Paris Agreement. How are we going to meet the Paris Agreement goals? Well, governments put out subsidies. Governments put out the money to make it financially advantageous for you to do what the government determines is the right thing. And those kind of subsidies or programs, they work. And it might not be ideal, but if it makes people change something about their behavior, then they're going to do it, because we live in too apathetic of a world with too many flashing lights for people to choose the right path every single time. That we need to create a world that it is more difficult to do the wrong thing than it is to do the right thing.